Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-salatu wassalamu ala rasulil kareem. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. La in shakartum la azidannakum. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa ahli baytihi wa baraka wa sallama tasliman kathira. Ameen ya rabbal alameen. Okay, so today inshallah we are going to learn something new. So first of all, you have to keep in your mind about the weights of past tense, fi'al madi. What was those? Fa'ala, fa'ila, and fa'ula. Those three were there. So today we are going to learn another die or another weight, which will be fu'ila. So all those three, fa'ala, fa'ula, fa'ila, will be converted to fu'ila. Why they will be converted, when they will be converted, now we will study. So this is the weight fu'ila, and I will show you the full chart on the weight of fu'ila. Fu'ila, fu'ilu, fu'ilat, fu'ilata, fu'ilna, fu'ilta, fu'iltuma, fu'iltum, fu'ilti, fu'iltuma, fu'iltunna, fu'iltu, fu'ilna. So this is the weight of fu'ila. So all this fa'ala, fa'ila, and fa'ula, all those three weights will be converted to fu'ila. Why? When we are going to make our past tense the passive. What is passive? In the passive verb, the subject or fa'il is not there always. So we always hide the fa'il. So the tense will be converted to passive. So in Arabic, it is called majhul. So fi'il majhul. So this is the term in Arabic language, majhul. Majhulun. Majhulun. What is majhul? Where you don't have fa'il. Fa'il is hidden or purposefully, or we don't know, in both cases. So that is called majhulun. Majhulun, passive verb. So what we'll do, we'll study now. So Dr. Smith, okay, Miss Saleh, can you call student?
Dr. Smith, I have invited you. Unmute, please.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Walaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Dr. Smith, which weight I discussed now? Which one? What is the? Can you read?
Fu'ila, sir.
Fu'ila. Okay. What it is called? Why this fu'ila?
All the three weights like fa'ala, fa'ila, and fa'ula are converted to fu'ila. It is called past tense passive, where the subject, that is fa'il, is hidden.
Okay, good. Not hidden, it means not known.
Not known. Okay, sir.
Okay, we don't know the fa'il, or we purposely don't want to tell the fa'il. Okay, so you have the letters dad, ra, and ba. Please, can you read this all in this chart on this weight?
Is do, ra, ba. So on the weight of fu'ila, duriba. I'm right, sir?
Yeah, you are right. Exactly.
Duriba, duriba, duribu, duribat, duribata, duribna, duribta, duribtuma, duribtum, duribti, duribtuma, duribtunna, duribtu, duribna.
Okay, very good. Okay, when I say daraba, what does it mean?
Daraba, to beat, sir.
No. What this sentence can you translate? Daraba.
Daraba means it is on the weight of fa'ala, sir.
No. What does it mean? Translate this sentence. Daraba.
Daraba. Okay, sir. Analyze. It is Wahid Muzakkar, sir. It is Mustatir. He beat.
He beat. Okay. When we convert it to Duriba, now what we'll say? He was beaten.
Okay, sir. Got it.
He was beaten. Both were beaten. They were beaten. She was beaten. So they both were beaten. Feminine. They all were beaten. Duribtu, I was beaten. Duribna, we were beaten. Okay. So
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
so according to English language, I think it will go to fourth form or third form. What? Beaten is fourth form, right?
Fourth form, sir. Verb 4, sir.
Yeah, fourth form. It will be in passive verb. Okay. Now the same kaf, ta, lam. It is the mada, or you can say root letters. Kutila, kutila, kutilu, kutilat, kutilata, kutilna, kutilta, kutiltuma, kutiltum, kutilti, kutiltuma, kutiltuna, kutiltu, kutilna. So this will be the chart. Now I will let you know how we will do it. Okay. So can you read the sentence, Dr. Smitha?
Qatala Khalidun Hamidun.
Hamidan. I don't know
Hamidan,
what's
sorry.
the problem with
Qatala,
you students.
no. Qatala Khalidun Hamidan.
Okay, translate.
Sorry, Khalid killed Hamid.
Very good. Khalid killed Hamid. Okay. Now I want to make it majhul. What I will do? I will hide the subject.
Subject, sir.
Fa'il.
Khalidun.
Fa'il. I will hide it. Hide mean I will delete it. I don't want to tell about him. Okay. This is the first step.
Sir.
This is the first step. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Second step, I will convert the verb to the weight. What? Fu'ila.
Fuila, sir. So it will be Kutila, sir.
Yeah. This is the second step. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And third step, if I have maf'ul present, this third step, I will convert it to marfu.
Okay, sir.
So what I told sister, can you repeat the subjects, steps?
Okay, sir. So first we will remove the file subject, and second is the fail. It is converted to on the weight of fu'ila, and the third step is the maf'ul, which will be the mansub form, will be changed to marfu form.
Very good, excellent. Now read the sentence in the blue column.
Yes, sir. Kutila Hamidun.
Kutila Hamidun. Very good. So now translate Kutila Hamidun.
So as the subject is removed, so it will become mustatir. So he killed Hamid.
La hawl, la hawl. On the left side, blue color boxes.
Khalid killed Hamid, sir. Okay. Same as it is.
Astaghfirullah,
Okay.
ya binti, astaghfirullah. Left
There
side,
was no.
Kutila Hamidun. Translate this sentence.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. It will be in a passive form.
Illa billah.
Hamid.
Okay, translate.
Kutila Hamid. Khalid. He was. So Kutila means to kill, sir.
Yes.
Katala means to kill. So the passive form will be same, sir. Killed. He was.
Okay.
Smita,
Hamid
it's
was
simple
killed.
passive voice.
Hamid was
Smita.
killed.
Hamid
Yes.
was killed. Okay.
It was simply passive voice. Just don't go here and there. It's simply passive voice.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Sister, in the first portion, it was Qatala Khalidun Hamidun. Khalid killed Hamid. Okay. We
Sir.
deleted the file. Okay. And we made,
Yes.
who was killed? Hamid was killed. Okay.
Hamid was killed. Yes,
We
sir.
made him marfu, and the verb was converted to fu'ila weight. Okay. Now this Hamidun became marfu. So the translation will be Hamid was killed, because actually Hamid was killed. We are not discussing about who killed him. So we
Okay,
made
sir.
it passive.
Got it.
Okay. Hamid was
Got
killed.
it.
Hamid was killed. You know, no, for me, it was not the issue you are translating or no. For me, the issue was I'm telling you the left side and you are again staying here. I know you will not be able to translate this sentence, but I wanted you to read this blue boxes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got
Because
it.
I'm teaching, I know you cannot translate in the beginning. Now you will be able to translate. Okay. I was telling you left, you are still staying on your right. Okay, no problem. Qutila Hamidun. Okay, in Arabic, you know, this La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. What is the short form of it? You know it?
No, sir. I know the
Okay.
meaning. I don't know the short form.
Yeah. If we say La hawl, it means I'm saying La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Okay. All these La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, astaghfirullah. There are many others also. It has short forms. Okay. Inshallah, I will share in the group. So if I say
Okay, sir.
only La hawl, it also means La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. It means, okay. So,
Okay.
Qutila Hamidun, Hamid was killed. Now we made it marfu. Now it is confusing. That's what I want to teach you. In this sentence, we know Khalidun is marfu fa'il, Hamidun mansub maf'ul. But in this sentence, Qutila Hamidun, it is marfu. So first of all, you keep in mind that the weight is Qutila. You have to remember this weight. Because if you are confused in the weight, then you will not be able to analyze the sentence. Okay. So you have to keep the weight in your mind, because this weight will tell you what the sentence is coming. It is passive or it is normal. So read what is written.
Naibul fa'ila.
Very good. Naibul fa'il. It's murakkab idafi, naibul fa'ili. Okay. So naibul fa'il, it means deputy subject. What, sister?
Subject, sir.
No, deputy. Naibun,
Deputy.
deputy. You will call in Urdu deputy. Deputy.
Subject.
Subject. Why we are calling it deputy subject? Why? Reason. Can you guess?
Because the subject was removed now, sir. So,
No. It has taken the marfu.
okay.
Because of this marfu condition, we are saying it deputy of subject, because subject is removed and we are saying that this is the deputy of it. Why? Because it is marfu. So
Marfu.
next sentence, can you read?
Qatalu Khalidan.
So what is the meaning?
They all killed Khalid.
Very good. Now, if you want to convert it to majhul, what you will do?
Qatalu, the fail will be converted on the weight of fuila, so it will be it is in a plural form, so it will be kutilu.
No, sister, no. You have to convert this verb according to your maf'ul, which you will convert to deputy. It will be singular.
Singular only. Okay, sir. Kutila Khalidan.
Sister,
Khalidun.
it will be Khalidun. Who was killed? Khalid was killed. Okay.
Khalidun, yes, sir.
So for it, what you will bring? You will bring singular.
Singular, okay.
Kutila Khalidun.
Kutila. Got it, sir.
Khalid was killed. Because, sister, what we are doing? We are removing the subject. So when you will remove the subject from this verb, what will remain? Only this related to Khalid, it will remain that action was done on Khalid. Qutila Khalidun.
Okay.
Khalid was killed. So read the sentence.
Qatala Yusufu Zaidan. Yusuf killed Zaid.
Okay. So now we want to convert this sentence to majhul. What we will do?
Subject is removed, sir, and the fail will become in the weight of fuila, so it will be kutila, and the maful will become in marfu state. So kutila Zaidun.
So translation will be Zaid was killed. Very good. So Zaid is naibul fa'il, Khalid is naibul fa'il. Naibul fa'il means deputy subject of the verb.
Deputy subject of the verbs.
Okay. Next sentence, please read.
Qatala Khalidur Rijala.
Okay.
Khalid killed the man.
Okay. Khalid killed the man. Why I am using only this qatala, just to make easy for the students, because the purpose is to give the concept, not the vocabulary. The purpose in this topic is to give the concept only, because if the concept is clear, then no problem. Vocabulary does not matter a lot. It will come, inshallah. Just you have to keep in mind that the verb, the weight of the verb will be fu'ila. Just simply, you are reading Quran, you are reading Hadith, the weight is coming fil madi fu'ila. The first letter is with dhamma. So you immediately your eyes should get open. Okay, it means this is passive sentence is coming. So in the passive sentence, what happens? In passive sentence, we have naibul file. Okay. So convert the sentence now to majhul.
Yeah, to majhul. So kutilar kutila rijal.
Wait.
Rijalun.
We will delete the file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we want to make a rijal naibul file, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this naibul file now. It is wahid, musanna, jam'a.
Rajulun, rijalun. Sir, it is plural, sir. Rajulun.
Okay.
Plural, rijalun.
Plural. So
Sir.
our in the law of verb, what is if our naibul file or if even our file is plural, we will bring what? Number one, wahid muzakkar. The same we will bring here. What?
Same, sir. Acha. Kutilar rijalu.
Kutilar rijalu. Good.
Rijalu.
So what will be the meaning kutilar rijalu?
The men were killed.
Okay. If I tell you, make this sentence into nominal sentence, what you will do?
This majhul sentence, sir.
Yeah.
The Ar-Rijalu will comes in the first place, sir.
Yes. So, okay.
So
The next
Ar-Rijalu Kutila. No, Kutila will change into Khabar will change into plural form, sir.
Yes. Very good, Dr.
Kutilu.
Smita. Excellent.
Kutilu.
Excellent. Ar-rijalu kutilu. The people were,
Yes,
the men were killed. Okay.
The men were killed.
Next sentence.
Qatalun Nisa.
Okay.
They all killed the women. Women
Okay.
plural, sir, it is.
To make converted to majhul.
Okay, sir. Majhul. Kutilan nisa'u.
Okay, an-nisa'u is muzakkar or muannas?
It is monas, sir.
So what you will do?
An-nisa'u. Kutilat, yes, sir.
Kutilatin nisa'u, because
Kutilatin nisa'u.
it is
Yeah.
feminine. So that's why you have to convert to feminine.
To singular feminine, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
This kasra is just to make the connection between.
Connection with al, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Women were killed.
So next sentence, can you read?
Katalal. Sir, it is kifaru, kufaru.
Now, mashallah, you know Quran. So still you need me to put every letter vowels.
So Quran is different, sir. This class.
No, not at all. You are reading repeatedly in Quran. Kuffar. See, still now, you know, in Arabic, you will find the books in Arabic, nothing is written, nothing. Then what you will do? Nothing, no vowel at all. How you will decide then? Because you have to keep in your mind now this word is like that. Okay. Qatal al-kuffaru musliman. So translate.
The kuffaru, kafiru plural, sir. The disbelievers killed Killed Muslim.
Killed a Muslim.
Killed
Nakira.
a Muslim. Nakira. Yes, sir. Killed a Muslim.
Okay. So
Majhul.
converted to majhul.
Kutila Muslimun.
Kutila Muslimun. A Muslim was killed.
Muslims was killed.
Okay. So read the sentence.
Nasarallahu Rasulahu. Allah, Nasara means help, sir. Allah helped Rasul. Allah helped his messenger.
Yes. So make it majhul. How?
So subject will remove Nasara. Nusira Rasulahu.
Nasarallahu Rasulahu. Okay. Nusira Rasuluhu.
Rasulu.
Because we'll make it naibul file. Okay. So to
Yes,
make
sir.
it naibul
Yeah,
file, we'll make marfu.
Marfu. His
Nusira
messenger was
Rasuluhu, his
helped.
messenger was helped.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Read the sentence.
Akalal farul khubna jubna.
Yeah.
Akala
So-
means to eat.
Yeah.
Rest,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. What
Faru,
happened? Rat.
farul jumna meaning vocabulary. No, don't know.
Rat. Rat. Sister, rat.
Rat, sir.
Rat.
चूहा चूहा
चूहा, अच्छा.
जो आपके उधर दिल्ली में बैठा हुआ है एक जगह पे जिसको मोदी कहते हैं चूहा.
Sir, jubna, sir.
चीज.
Bite. हाँ, sir.
चीज.
Cheese. Okay. Sorry, sir. The rat ate the cheese.
Yes, Modi ate the cheese, right? I think sentence is right. Okay, akal
The rat-
farul jubna. Okay,
The
now
rat
make
ate
this.
the cheese.
Now
Okay, sir.
convert this to majhul.
Okay. Ukilal jubnu.
Ukil al jubnu. The cheese was eaten.
Cheese was eaten. Yes, sir.
Next sentence.
Kasaratil hirratul tabaka.
Yes.
Kasara means to break.
Yes.
Hirratu means
Cat. Kitten. Actually,
Cat.
kitten.
Achha. The kitten break tabaka, sir. Tabaka.
Plate.
Break the plate. The kitten
Yes.
broke the
kitten
kitten
broke the
broke the
plate.
plate. Broke the
Okay.
plate. Past
So
tense.
make it to majhul.
Okay, sir. So kitten. Kusira til tabaka.
Why you are saying kusirati? This
Kusira.
tabak is muzakkar.
Kusiral tabaka.
Kusiral tabaku.
Tabaku. Yes, sir, ma'am.
The main mistake you are making. It need to be converted compulsory. It is
To marfu.
compulsory. Okay. Okay, Miss. Next student.
Okay, sir.
Jazakallah khair.
Asma, would you like to participate? I'm giving you the request. Then Alia Bashir.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
Alaikum assalam
wabarakatuh.
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, can you read the sentence?
Mashal kitto khaka. Hamasha means kit is a cat, but
Hamasha, to scratch.
Yes. The cat scratched your brother.
Yeah, the cat scratched your brother. Very good. So now we want to make it to majhul. So what step we'll take?
Homisha akhaku.
Wrong.
Akhuk.
You have to convert it to raf'un.
Akhuk.
Humisha akhuka. Your brother was scratched.
Scratched.
Okay. Can you read the sentence?
كتبنا التمرينات. التمرينات means what?
Tamrinat exercises.
Okay. We wrote exercises.
Okay, now you want to make it majhul, what you will do?
So I will remove the na, and al-tamrinatu is jammu ghair akal. So it will be kutiba al-tamrinatu.
Kutibatit
Kutibatil
tamrinatu. Exercises were written. Okay.
Yes.
Next sentence.
Nasahtuha. He nasahtuha. He advised her.
No. Nasahtu.
Nasahtu. I advised her.
Yeah, I advised her. So now make it
Yes.
majhul.
Nosihat. Nosihat.
Finish. Nusihat. She was advised.
She was advised. Yes.
Nusihat. She was advised. Because what you will do, you will block
I
the
cannot bring that.
file, and this maf'ul will be converted to naibul file. Because this is pronoun, so you will just follow the chart.
Yes.
Nusihat. She was
She
advised.
was advised.
Okay. Next sentence.
Akhada rijalul shurtati sarikina.
Okay.
That is akhada rijalul.
Uh,
The police.
the police.
Shurtati sarikina has taken the men.
أخذ رجال الشرطة سارقين. سارقون. What is سارقون? Thief.
Yes, thieves.
Okay. The police caught the thieves, right?
Yes.
So now you want to convert it to majhul, passive. What you will do? You will delete this.
This file, and al-sarikina is majroor of sarikuna. So I will
Sister,
make
what are you saying? No, what majroor? What you are saying?
sarikina.
This sarikina
is jamu.
in this sentence, sarikina in which i'rab? Rafa, nasab, jar.
Jar.
This is jar. Subhanallah. What is the
Jar
reason
or
of jar?
nasab. Sorry.
Why it is nasab? Okay, tell me.
Because it is maf'ul.
Yes, because it is maf'ul. Very good. Okay. So now we want to make this sentence as majhul. What we will do?
Okhiza.
Yes, okhiza.
Sarikina. Okhiza sarikuna.
Sariquna. Okhiza sariquna. The thieves were caught. Okhiza sariquna. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Read the sentence.
Qatalnal
Lususa.
Lususa. What is
It
this?
is the plural of lasun. It means looters.
Qatalna. We have killed the looters.
Okay, make it to majhul.
I will remove the na, and al-sus is plural, and it should be come in Kotela al-susa.
Qutila lususu.
Yes. It
So
will
the
be the
looters
same.
were killed.
Looters were killed.
Good. Sa'ala Zaidun al-khadima.
Zaid al-khadima. Zaid asked the servant.
Yeah, questioned.
So it will be Su'ila al-khadimu.
Su'ila al-khadimu. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Can you read the sentence?
Amarallahu al-muslimina bis-salati.
Ji.
أمر الله Allah's Muslimina bis-salat.
What happened? Allah ordered.
Muslimina bis-salati, Muslimina bis-salati.
First
Allah
translate.
had asked, Allah ordered the Muslims with salah.
Yeah, about Salah.
Yeah, about
But wait.
salah, bis-salah.
Because whatever the order will be, it will come as with the ba preposition.
Yes.
Allah commanded the Muslims about prayer. So, Umir al-Muslimuna bis-salati.
Umar al-Muslimuna bis-salati.
This was maf'ul. So, it is converted to naib al-fa'il, marfu. And the fi'il was converted to majhul. And this will be muta'alliq fi'il. Okay?
Yes.
قطفت البنت الزهرة.
كتفت البنت زهرة. Katafati means what?
To pluck.
The girl plucked the flower. Am I right?
The
The
girl
girl plucked the flower.
plucked the flower. Okay, convert it.
Kutifati zahratu.
Very good. Kutifat az-zahratu. Okay. Sa'alna sahib ad-dukkani. We questioned the shopkeeper. Su'ila sahib ad-dukkani. The shopkeeper was questioned. Okay. So now in this all ayah, which is the majhul?
فَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ كَيْفَ خُلِقَتْ. I think خُلِقَت.
On the weight of fu'ila, which is
خُلِقَت.
khuliqat. Okay. Khuliqat. It is majhul. Mean
Yes.
it was created.
It was
أفلا
created.
ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت.
How it was
So
created.
the naibul file is here and it is reverting
Yeah.
back to al-ibl, jam'u ghair
Ibil.
aqil. In this sentence, can you pick the
السماء كيف رفعت.
sister, not kaifa.
رفعت.
No. Tell me, you did not go to tajweed,
Yes.
sister?
Yes.
You learned tajweed?
Not too much.
No, sister, this is really, I would suggest you, please, you must learn how to read the Quran correctly. Okay, it is very important. It is the most important than Arabic, anything. So read properly. Okay.
وإلى السماء كيف رفعت.
Kaifa, this ya should be, it should be clear that it is ya.
كيف.
Kaifa rufi'at. This kasra and this ya sounds should be very clear. Very, very, very clear. What is your name, sister?
Asma Irfan.
Okay, if your name is Asma Irfan. If I read your name Asma, what you will say?
Yes.
You will correct me or no?
Yes.
You will be angry or no?
Correct.
No, you cannot read my name rightly?
At least once I will correct.
You surely you will correct me. No, not once. You will catch me every time. Please take my name rightly. My name is Asma.
Yes. Right.
So, what about the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?
Of course.
It does not mean, it means I'm just motivating you. Okay? I'm not demotivating you. I'm motivating you.
No.
That this is very, it's much
Very
important
nice.
to write, to read
Yes.
the Quran correctly. Okay? Because this I experienced before also. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us. Even I was not reading very correctly, but I learned it, alhamdulillah. I learned in the bigger age how to read it correctly. So there's no age limit. Do you know the age of Sahaba when they became Muslim?
Yes.
So they were reading Quran.
Yes.
When the father of Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, he became Muslim, you know that? What
I
was
think
his age?
above 90 he was, I think.
Above 80, you can say, more than 80. So at that age, surely he had learned the Quran. It is not possible that he ignored the Quran. So because to learn the reading of Quran, it is for Arabs also. Even Arabs also, they ignore many things. They need to learn it. No problem. Learning is a continuous process in all the phase of life. Okay? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for us. Wa ila samai kayfa rufi'at. So rufi'at, this rufi'at, it is majhul from and naibul file is hiya, which is going to ila sama. Wa ila al-jibali kayfa nusibat. So this nusibat is what? Majhul. So also hiya naibul file reverting back to al-jibal. Wa ila al-ardi kayfa sutihat.
Yes, mashallah.
Okay, so khuliqal insanu min ajalin. Tell me the naibul file in this ayah.
Sir, should I call to another student?
1 minute.
Khuliqa.
No, naibul file.
Naibul file is ajalin.
Naibul file. What is the i'rab of naibul file?
Insanu.
Sister, this in full lecture, what we discussed. This marfu is naibul file.
Yes, al-insanu is naibul file.
Yeah, why you said ajal?
First I said ajal, but second
No,
my
sir.
answer
She said insan. She said insan.
No, before insan, she said ajal. I am listening.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So it is insanu is naibul file. Okay, khulika is on the weight of fu'ila. This from here we will say this is naibul file, and min ajal is muta'alliq fail. So the man was created on what? From what? From haste. Khuliqal insanu min ajalin. Okay, the last sentence for you, the next student will be there. Okay, please read.
Ma kutilna.
Okay, ma kutilna. This ma is nafi. Okay, so kutilna. What is the naibul file of kutilna?
Naibul file of nahnu.
Very good, nahnu. So what will be the translation? Ma kutilna.
We have not killed.
We were not killed. We have not killed. We were not killed.
Ma kutilna.
See, we have not killed. It's a normal sentence.
Difference. We were not killed.
Miss, next student. Thank you, sister.
Thank you so much.
Excellent participation, Sister Asma. Okay, Alia Bashir. Alia.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please read the sentence. Aya.
خلق الإنسان ضعيفا.
Okay, good.
The insan was created weak.
Okay, the
human being or insan was created weak.
So this khulika is on the weight of fu'ila, right?
Yes, Ustaz.
Okay. This insanu is marfu. So what it will be called? File,
it is
naibu file. Naibu file. Okay. This da'ifan, actually you are observing it what? Mansub.
Mansub.
Okay. It is not maf'ul. It is something else. Okay. It is something else, which we will still study. So it means we have to study lot things more. Okay. Can you read the sentence?
قتلتم في سبيل الله.
Yeah.
You all were killed in the way of Allah.
Subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, good, very good. So what is naibul file?
قتلتم, it is antum.
Antum.
Antum is the naib file, which is hidden, or it is already written in قتلتم.
Okay.
So it is the naibul file.
So next sentence.
ruziqu minha. You ruziqu. They were given provision from
They were
her.
provided
They were provided from her.
from it, or the going to.
From her
So
or yes, or
they were
from it.
provided from it. Okay.
From it.
Ruziqu, whom is naibul file. Ruziqna min
Yes.
qabl. We were provided
Ruziqna.
before.
From before. Yes, before. We were provided before. Nahnu is the naibul file.
Okay. Next sentence. Ma qutilu.
Ma qutilu. We did. We.
No,
No,
not we.
They were not killed.
They were
They were
not
not
killed.
killed.
They were not killed.
Whom is the naibul file?
Okay. Next ayah, please read it.
كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم. كتب is the مجهول فعل, and عليكم is the naibul fa'il.
No.
عليكم
How you will
الصيام.
make alaykum naibul file? Subhanallah. Jar majroor.
Yes, sorry, Ustad. It's alaykum. Yes, alaykum. It is alaykum. Kum is the antum. Antum is the naibul file.
Astaghfirullah. Sister, what is it? Can you read it correctly?
Kutiba alaykum siyamu. Fasting is written for upon all of you.
Sister, jar majroor can never be naibul file or file. Okay, keep in mind.
Okay.
First thing.
Okay.
In the ayah,
Okay.
this marfu word is there. Why you are not focusing it?
Yes, Ustad. Sorry. Kutiba siyamu. Okay. Siyamu is the naibul file because this is marfu. Alaykum. Yes, it can't be.
The fasting was written on you. So it not written mean it is made compulsory on you. What is it written mean? It does not mean that written by some letter. It means it is compulsory, made compulsory on you. Kutiba alaykumus siyamu.
Prescribed for you. Yes.
Kama kutiba ala allazina min qablikum. Okay, now here kutiba, naibul file is huwa, which is reverting back to a siyam.
Siyamu. Yes.
Kutiba alaykum al-qitalu. What is naibul file?
Al-qitalu.
Al-qitalu, combat. Combat is written on you. It is made compulsory on you. But we are not focusing on it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us. Okay, subhanallah. We finished our lecture today. Jazakumullahu khaira. Inshallah, after a few days, we'll meet for Medina Arabic book. So we'll continue. Today we learned fail majhul, passive verb. In the passive verb, the most important part, the maf'ul is not there. The maf'ul in the normal sentence becomes naibul file, and we always remove the file from the tense. Okay, jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.